This 7-in-1 steamer took my stove from this to this, and it took like only 5 minutes. Scrubbing it with a regular sponge to show y'all this was never gonna come out, not a single part without something really strong. I wouldn't trust anything else to help me do the job except Dawn Power Wash. This stuff is really good. I let that sit for a couple minutes. This is the Schenley 7-in-1 Steam Mop. I'm using this top, that's important. The bristles are really hard, and right when I start going in, you can see the grime and whatever it is lifting. I was shocked. This is so good. I wasn't sure if this was gonna work. I wasn't sure if I was ever gonna get this stove clean again. If you know how hard it is to get this stuff out of stoves, pans, grills, all of that. This steamer can effectively clean with water alone, but I always use products. This is after only using it and scrubbing it for 2 minutes, y'all. Actually shocked by the results, but we're gonna finish the whole thing going back in with my Dawn Power Wash and just getting all the little spots that I missed before. Sometimes it's kind of hard to see because of like the water that's on there. I gotta like check what's clean and what's not clean. You can literally see the spots I'm going over vanish. Like, this steamer works so good. I've only ever used it to clean my mirrors and like my tables and stuff like that. This is my first time using it on a stove and on something that's really hard to get up, and I'm really happy at that result. Now this is like after 5 minutes of scrubbing and cleaning. This is before. And this is after. Oh my goodness, this is a brand new stove. Got this right from TikTok shop. It's been a long time. It's gonna be linked down below because I know y'all gonna want the details.